How to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the dark mode on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open. As you do so, you will land onto this page. Now to change the appearance of your screen, tap on the left icon of your Bitmoji. Then tap on settings on your top right. Here scroll below and you will see app appearances under your My Account section. Tap open it. By default, this is set to light option. Then tap on always dark. Tap on restart now. As you do so, it will restart your Snapchat, and just like so, it will turn automatically into the dark mode. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching this video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.